Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, first front came through early this morning. We'll be waiting a second one trying to sneak its way through on Tuesday. In between, though, we've seen some breaks in the clouds this afternoon. Temperatures did get up into the mid-60s, but still an overall certainly big different story than what we saw yesterday, where folks were hanging out. I was out at the soccer games with the kiddos, and boy, oh boy, everybody out there in T-shirts, shorts, sunglasses, and it was warm standing in the sun. All right, let's go out to the storm tracker, and I'll show you what we've got in terms of the rest of the evening for tonight. Showers should be pretty much wrapped up. We got a couple of light ones trying to move their way across Mid-Valley. That's about it. Further close to home here across Southern Valley around Junction City down to Eugene and Springfield, even out towards the Central Coast, Newport, Florence, and down to North Bend. Things have been pretty quiet so far for most of the night tonight. Now, let's zoom out and show you what's happening and where all this is coming from. There's the back end of the front. You can see it in between Boise and Burns, very well-defined end of it. That continues to clear south, moving into northern parts of Nevada and also into southern Idaho. Now, we've also got high pressure ridge building in, so it's going to curl some of this cloud cover back around and take it offshore, but we also still have some moisture moving in out of the northwest, and so that will keep at least a chance for some showers as we go in towards overnight and Tuesday. Now, rainfall totals, not that impressive, about 0.2 of an inch, Newport and North Bend. Just real paltry amounts here, and trace or just about that from Corvallis, Eugene, Roseburg, and then dry out in Bend in Redmond, where the temperatures have been on the cool side today, sitting at 49 right now. 38, so still above freezing, but kind of a slushy mix expected tomorrow in the mountains, and mid-50s now up and down through the valley and down towards Roseburg, where they're still sitting at around 60 degrees. So overnight tonight, we'll get the fog back as the clouds continue to break up some. I'm going to keep a mention of an early isolated shower along the coast. I think we should be done overnight until we get into tomorrow, and that's when we'll see the sort of leftovers and another little weak area of low pressure slide southward down across the coastline. And it's also because we have this dip in the jet stream, what we call a trough. As that continues to move through, it's going to keep the really cool air overhead, and with the breaks in the clouds and the sunshine that can help to destabilize the atmosphere just a bit, any showers that get rolling may actually contain some small hail as well, especially up in the mountains. I think that'll be the big case. Midweek, though, the good thing is Wednesday, Thursday, high pressure moving in. It'll clear all this out, at least for a bit. But as that cooler air starts to get trapped close to the surface, I'm expecting us to see some pretty dense fog probably Wednesday and Thursday. So timing of the showers tomorrow, mainly mid-afternoon through the early evening, and then kind of petering out after that. Should be fine by Wednesday and Thursday, but as I said, it'll look similar to Friday, Saturday, where we'll likely see some real dense, heavy fog early in the morning. So take it easy out there, but then should be back to sunny skies by the afternoon. Overall, the bottom line there, a very quiet weather week ahead for us here in the Northwest. Sunny and showers at the coast for tomorrow. Combo mix of that. We'll see more sunshine as we go in towards Wednesday and Thursday's forecast. And then another weak front tries to move through on Saturday. I'm going to keep a mention of some isolated showers for now, but it might very well may be gone by tomorrow. In the Umpqua Basin, isolated evening showers. I don't think most of your day will be dry. And then back up into the mid-60s and sunnier by Thursday and Friday. In the Cascades, a slushy rain-snow mix. In Bend and Redmond, could see some isolated hail along with those showers that do try to crop up late afternoon and into early evening. Otherwise, it's back to sunny skies in the mid-50s for Wednesday and Thursday. And another cool one in the valley is highs will be around 60 degrees. Staying cool. I don't think we're going to warm up much, even though we do bring some sunshine back. There's not a lot of big push of warm air like we saw Saturday afternoon and Sunday. That was impressive.
That was impressive.
It
was nice.
That 37 degrees stands out.
And that's when I think we'll see that fog, you know, when it was like Saturday morning.
Yeah.
It was like pea soup out there. I bet we'll see that morning,
More
too.
pea soup coming.
Yep.
Pea soup. Sounds yummy.